Okay guys, this is a quick update from my last video. I'm going to give you key support and resistance levels to pay attention to. Also, you can access all these live charts on my website. The link will be pinned in the first comment description. If you use my Big Get affiliate link, that's also pinned in the first comment description as well. And guys, if you like this content and you want to support me, give me a like. I appreciate it. And if you want to be notified and have future videos, make sure you subscribe and take notification bell. So if you watched the last video I put up, it was earlier this morning. Listen to what I said. If we do push up, there's no guarantee of that, but if we did push up, notice that this orange trend line right here was previously support. It flipped as resistance. So if we do push up, an ideal point to enter a short, you've got previous support flipped as resistance, and you have this white line that we've been respecting as resistance. So if we push up, if you miss that short up here, the next point to enter a short is around 47,700, and I have two other charts in confluence with that. So I was telling you I had multiple charts showing this would be an ideal point to short if price pushed up. By the way, I'll put a link up to this video now if you want to check it out. So you can see what happened. Price pushed up, and again, this was a lot of support, so this would flip as resistance, plus you have this white line that we've hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. I told you we hit this point, another point to enter a short, 47,650 around that area on the C1 chart. I'll come back and give you price targets, by the way. You can see right here the C1 BG chart. This is a chart that's charted for Big Get. This was a lot of resistance. This was resistance. We got rejected here. And on the H1 chart, we came up to this point and got rejected. Go back and watch this previous video. I showed you why each one of these lines were so important. And when you have lines on different charts, charted different ways, and all of them match, that's confluence to know that probably we're going to get a rejection. And again, this is the daily version, and again, I'm expecting us to continue to move down this white line here. It is possible, and I told you guys it's possible we get a pump on April 1st. I'll put a link up to that video if you want to check it out. But statistically speaking, going back, if you bought on April 1st, you did well. So this could play out a number of ways, and I expect this to be slow. We could do something like this: hit it, get rejected, come back up, hit it, get rejected, and come down. I do think we are going to move down this line. Again, I explained these fib channels in previous videos, but it is possible if we had a substantial drop, and this would be your major support right here. This is right at this, so this would be the top of the pattern we broke out. So there's going to be a lot of support around 45,600. So it is possible if we came down to that point. Again, we typically get a pump after April 1st. I'm not saying on April 1st we shoot straight up. I'm just saying it's possible we can start pushing back up. This would be a fake out. And then I think, again, just like I said these previous 3 times right here, once we hit this point, we would get rejected and start coming back down. So again, I'm going to go back and give you your support and resistance levels on those different charts. Let me get rid of this real quick. So again, on this chart, if we do come down, just pay attention to this yellow trend line. This will be support around 44,556. Again, when we push up, every time we make contact with this white line is a potential point to short. So on this chart, you can see right now we did get rejected at 47,655. Currently, we're holding support on this support level right here in this channel, right here at 47,072. If that breaks, your next support level to catch a bounce, and I'm not going to go back, guys. If I can just show you, for instance, if we go back, you see we got a perfect rejection right here. And this was support right here. So that gray line and that blue line, by going back and looking left. And that's what I say, guys. If you have access to the charts, zoom out, look at the bigger picture, and go left. If a line was respected previously, it'll be respected again. So if we drop, your next point to enter a long, and when I say long, I don't mean we're going to the moon. I just mean a point to chance a long. That's 46,350. Your next support below that is right here at 45,927. Obviously, have more support levels below on this chart. This is the C1 chart, the C1 BG chart. So your next support level below to catch bounce is right here at 46,615. And you can see right back here, this was a lot of resistance. And as soon as we broke above it, held a support, you see we pushed up. So your next strong support just below is 45,500. And guys, what I say is, always have the C1 chart, the C1 BG chart, the H1 chart open, and the M1 chart. And if you see matching targets on multiple charts, chances are you will catch a bounce or get rejected at that target. Let's see. So this is the H1 chart. We did get rejected from this point. Your next major support is going to be down here around 45,600. So it looks like, just now giving you these targets, 45,500, 45,600 looks like it's going to be very strong support. As you can see back here, see all of this right here? There was a lot of support on this blue line right here, right? And you can see this was resistance up here. And you can see right here, let me look over here a little bit. You can see we got a perfect rejection right here. So that's what I'm saying. Always look left and see how price interacted with these lines to get an idea. So you know your next support level below to catch a bounce is around 46,116. Just below that, 45,639. And then you have very, very strong support down here around 43,670. Just showing you kind of how to play the charts at the same time giving you price labels. So again, guys, that's pretty much it. At the time recording this video, the next daily candle open is in 3 hours and, well, 3.5 hours. So I expect us to continue to move down this white line. Now, anything could happen. We could just hit it and just have a straight drop down, or this could just play out just really slow and boring. We just come down, we push up, hit it, get rejected, come back down, hit it again. Again, what I'm saying is I believe that this white line is going to send us down. However it plays out, I believe we're coming down at least 20%. That's probably when I'll take profit. But again, as I said in previous videos, when we break this orange ring, we break this blue ring, let's expect the capitulation to begin. Again, guys, if you want to access these charts, the website is autoartcrypto.com. The link will be pinned in the first comment description. Use my Big Get affiliate link. That's also pinned in the first comment description as well. Guys, that's it. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.